Kungaloosh Adventures, Ryan here for TMR Tours. Today we're having dinner at Rancho Del Zocalo at Disneyland. This can be found in Frontierland and is an amazing Mexican eatery where you can get all kinds of amazing food. Now outside they have all kinds of seating and they have covered seating as well, so amazing place to put up your feet if you need a break. There are multiple windows to choose from to get your food, as well as many ways to get drinks. So whether you want a mug or a bottled beverage or just a fountain drink on the go, they have you covered in the drink department. The food here is made fresh and it always smells amazing inside. So no matter if you want burritos, enchiladas, or a salad, come on in and give it a try. We had a pork burrito and topped with that tomatillo sauce, it was a really amazing flavor. The citrus chicken was juicy and delicious. The tostada salad with beef and that pico de gallo sauce was really amazing. Mix it all together, flavors really accompanied each other, and it was a really amazing dish. The red chili enchilada platter, something we like to try, and here at Disneyland, it is also super good. Now on to two of TMR's favorite Mexican dishes. The first is a trio taco of street tacos, usually a beef, pork, and chicken. Here, the chicken was in fact our favorite one of the three, and nachos. We really love getting nachos anywhere we go, and these were real nachos with layered flavor, not just amusement or ballpark nachos with yellow cheese. These were amazing. So if you're looking for some authentic, amazing flavors, come on out to Rancho Del Zocalo here at Disneyland, tucked in the back of Frontierland by Thunder Mountain Railroad. You can't miss it. Seriously, those street tacos were amazing. And if you want to learn more about Mexican food here at Disneyland in California, click that link above to see more of that food and hot tips from Disneyland.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kungaloosh.